Are you a victim of foreclosure in Florida? That's a question that might resonate with many, and if it does, you're in the right place. We're here to shed some light on the often overlooked aspect of foreclosure: surplus funds. You might be wondering, what are surplus funds? Well, when a foreclosed property is sold at auction for more than what was owed, the extra money or surplus is rightfully yours. But unfortunately, many are unaware of this potential windfall, and these funds often lay unclaimed. Let's delve into a recent case to illustrate this point. Consider the case of Case 23-001676 in Broward County, Florida. Here, a property was foreclosed on and subsequently sold at auction. The sale price exceeded the owed amount, resulting in surplus funds. These funds, however, remained unclaimed until we stepped in. The rightful owners were identified and the process to claim these funds initiated. Now, this isn't an isolated incident. There are countless cases similar to Case 23-001676 where surplus funds have been left unclaimed. This is where we come in. We specialize in recovering these unclaimed funds and ensuring they reach their rightful owner. So what's the takeaway from all of this? Don't let your surplus funds go unclaimed. If you have been a victim of foreclosure, there could be money waiting for you. Reach out to Surplus Agents for Americans today. We are dedicated to helping you recover your surplus funds and put them back where they belong, with you. Remember, these funds are rightfully yours. Don't let them slip through your fingers. Reach out, claim your funds, and take the first step towards financial recovery. Every penny counts, especially in trying times, and we're here to ensure that you don't leave anything on the table. That's the power of surplus funds, the silver lining in the dark cloud of foreclosure. It's an opportunity to reclaim what's yours, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. So don't delay, act now. Secure what rightfully belongs to you. Reach out to Surplus Agents for Americans today. We're waiting to help you reclaim your surplus funds. #foreclosure, surplus #Florida homeowners.